Torrential slide value equivalent to $33.6767 a coin. The present reach: $30.4379, $34.0085. The earlier day close: $30.4464. The change was plus 3.2303, plus 10.61%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset, cost at $21.21. Most extreme cost $50.70, least cost $21.21. The normal for the month $34.99. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $46.85, change for December 120.9%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Initially cost at $46.85. Most extreme cost $58.15, least cost $38.81. The normal for the month $49.54. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $54.35, change for January 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. To start with, cost at $54.35. Greatest cost $67.46, least cost $54.35. The normal for the month $59.80. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $63.05, change for February 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for WALK 2024. In the first place, cost at $63.05. Greatest cost $78.26, least cost $63.05. The normal for the month $69.38. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $73.14, change for spring 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else, cost at $73.14. Most extreme cost $73.14, least cost $62.98. The normal for the month $69.25. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $67.72, change for April 7.4%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Before all else, cost at $67.72. Most extreme cost $67.72, least cost $52.90. The normal for the month $61.31. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $56.88, change for May 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place, cost at $56.88. Greatest cost $59.88, least cost $52.04. The normal for the month $56.19. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $55.96, change for June 1.6%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. First and foremost, cost at $55.96. Greatest cost $55.96, least cost $48.03. The normal for the month $52.90. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $51.64, change for July 7.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else, cost at $51.64. Most extreme cost $51.64, least cost $40.34. The normal for the month $46.75. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $43.38, change for August 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. Initially cost at $43.38. Most extreme cost $44.79, least cost $38.93. The normal for the month $42.24. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $41.86, change for September 3.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2024. To start with, cost at $41.86. Greatest cost $46.52, least cost $40.44. The normal for the month $43.08. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $43.48, change for October 3.9%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for November 2024. First and foremost cost at $43.48. Greatest cost $43.48, least cost $35.07. The normal for the month $39.94. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $37.71, change for November 13.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2024. Before all else cost at $37.71. Most extreme cost $46.80, least cost $37.71. The normal for the month $41.49. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $43.74, change for December 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place cost at $17.22. Greatest cost $21.38, least cost $17.22. The normal for the month $18.95. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $19.98, change for February 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. First and foremost cost at $19.98. Greatest cost $20.73, least cost $18.01. The normal for the month $19.52. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $19.37, change for spring 3.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2026. At the outset cost at $19.37. Most extreme cost $24.04, least cost $19.37. The normal for the month $21.31. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $22.47, change for April 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. In the first place cost at $22.47. Greatest cost $27.89, least cost $22.47. The normal for the month $24.73. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $26.07, change for May 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2026. To start with cost at $26.07. Greatest cost $31.57, least cost $26.07. The normal for the month $28.30. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $29.50, change for June 13.2%. Avax to